This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Sissy Mayo. Mr. Clean lived here. Everything is better than new. Handicapped, accessible and equipped. Upgrades include tile kitchen, baths and laundry, utility sink and laundry, lots of hanging racks, central vacuum, 3M coating on 2 skylights, with retracting shades, and all windows and composite deck. The slate corian countertops and the spacious eat-in kitchen accent the white cabinets and tile backsplash. The dining area can accommodate a china cabinet and is open to the kitchen and great room, which has a granite gas log fireplace with a decorative mantle, and the 15-panel glass door leads to the completely private deck. The master suite features a wooded view, a walk-in closet, double vanity and custom step-in shower with waterfall glass doors. The front bedroom has a palladium window and convenient bath. The one-car garage has pull-down stairs to the large floored attic for oats of storage. This condo is convenient to grocery stores, Turkey Creek Shopping, I-40 and I-40 Tennova Hospital. It doesn't get any better than this unless you want to join the Bridgewater Community Pool and Boat Dock for $385 a year. For more information, review the details below or contact Sissy Mayo at 865-693-1111.